1 year ago, I made a decision that would change my entire life. I knew I wanted to spend a year traveling with my dog, Gem. I didn't know exactly where it would lead me. I just knew I couldn't keep living the same way. But I couldn't have imagined how much it would change me. It's been harder than I could have anticipated. It isn't perfect, but it's mine, and it's teaching me who I'm becoming. This is where it all began. If you have the choice to not do this in the winter, don't. Hoping to be on the road by late April, early May. I had no experience building anything when I started the camper van build. No blueprint, no clear roadmap, just a feeling, a calling, and years of quietly thinking about this life before even considering that it could actually become my reality. This didn't happen overnight. It was years of working, saving money, wondering and watching other people do what I dreamed about. I ordered supplies slowly as I could afford them and spent all of my time off from work teaching myself things I never thought I'd need to know. What nobody sees is the months of preparation leading up to starting the build. The late night research, tons of YouTube watch hours, reading forums, planning layouts, and pricing out materials. Nine-hour day shift for making the checks. After hours for building the dream. Slow moving, but we're getting there. I had hardly used power tools before starting this build, other than hanging a shelf or a photo on my wall. It was challenging. I made mistakes, changed plans, and started over more times than I can count. And for the aspects I didn't feel confident doing and didn't have the time to learn, I hired out to professionals. I can see I was trying to hide my obvious disappointment here. Sitting in my imperfect van, but just drinking. Measurement that I provided to fit my full-size mattress. They decided to just do whatever size they felt like doing. I'm about to cut my mattress now. There were so many moments I wanted to quit. Times I felt burnt out, overwhelmed, and unsure if I was even making the right choices. But I kept going. Not because I was brave, but because something in me knew that this mattered, and I had to find out why. And somehow, all of it led me here to this path, to sharing this story with you without having it all figured out and doing it anyway. I mean, what's life without a little mystery along the way? When I left Wyoming, I thought I'd be heading north, but plans changed. Between the electrical issues and everything feeling a little uncertain, I made a different choice. I turned south and headed toward San Diego. It's quite pretty. New Mexico. All right. We're pretty high, Mama. Come here. Let's go this way. This is our camp for the evening. Legit the middle of nowhere in Arizona, next to a highway. Very luxurious. Right, mamas? It's like a little baby canyon. Not okay. Just got to Phoenix. Ain't we stopping for this pretty girl? Cause look how long these nails are. We went to One and Flag and no one could take her. So we're at the Petco. You guys, it's getting worse. 1:15. 115 degrees out right now. Dying, but look at all this garlic. I've never seen so much garlic in my whole life. So, it was 115 degrees. I'm like, let me treat myself. Let me treat me and Jemmy so that we're nice and cool. We'll blast the air conditioning. The AC doesn't really work. There's a pool, which people are now in, which it said pool was closed for maintenance, so I don't know. Where it is, but just like took a shower in here. I kept my flip-flops on. I don't know. Welcome back to California. Wouldn't be Cali without traffic. San Diego. This is where I lived for 4 years, where I adopted Gem, and where the idea of traveling in a van full-time first started forming, long before I believed I'd actually do it. It was 2020 during the lockdowns, and when I transitioned to working fully remote from home, it got me thinking about what else I could change about my life. Look at her, she's so happy. She's a beach girl. She is for sure a beach girl. We're beach and mountain girls, we're both. Someone's got the zombies. Oh. Go! Gorgeous sand dollar, but they're actually alive. Most people don't think about that. This one's dark purple and has little fuzzy, so he's most likely alive. So we're gonna put him back. of the cheaper gas stations, but you know. I called around to local van builders, and the first one was kind enough to do diagnostics and recommend another shop.
All right, so right now we have your DC-DC charger. This is your input side coming from your car's battery system. And we have right here, what's that say, 13.8. And obviously it's gonna be converting into here. And we only got 12.4 on this side. So this does not seem to be charging the battery system. There's no green light showing that it's got full power, that it's working.
No green light means not functioning.
The car's running right now. So there's something internally right here not turning it on to start charging at a higher voltage.
Right. So I called and the owner told me to come right over. Turns out the DC to DC charger installed by the Pennsylvania company completely stopped working only after 4 months of use. And because the PA company hasn't taken any accountability from the jump, I went ahead and purchased updated parts from this shop, and the guys replaced them for me. This would be the first of 3 visits to this shop for electrical repairs between August and present day in January. And they don't know I'm making this video, but shout out to Bobby and Kevin at Camp Life Customs for helping me out. I'd say someone's pretty happy. Shelter Island. It's a good place to come, hang, fish, go on a boat if you're into that. See the city. There's restaurants. It's a good spot. Lake Murray, and I think it's a little hidden treasure. Hidden gem in San Diego. There's a paved path all the way around for bikers and walking when it's not too hot, for your pups. Look at this gorgeous bird. He just keeps flying by, showing off. He flew over me a couple times. Super bright green right there, I think from algae. Getting more and more common. I'm seeing this everywhere. All dried up. Depending on the time of the year, this has like a pretty steady little river. Jemmy, you're the best. I love you. Oh, Mama, your squirrel obsession is too funny. She's been so good this whole time. I'm just letting her have a little fun. Good girl, Slow. Take your time. Okay. Gotta watch your step. Big old rocks.
two beautiful hummingbirds just stopped to say hi to me. Oh, look how freaking steep it is. It's legit straight up. You ready for this, mama? I know you're in better shape than me. Okay, here we go. Oh, I gotta stop getting up so fast. Damn it. Just got freaking dizzy.
I thought coming back here would feel like home, but it didn't. Although I will always love San Diego, it was never meant to be the end of my story, but instead a chapter, one that shaped me and made room for who I'm becoming. This year ahead, I'm leaning into surrender and trusting the path ahead is leading me where I'm meant to be. More presence and less stress.
So I used to stay fit during the lockdowns. This hike right here. Woo! It's a good one. This is very much OB, feels the same.